Morning, welcome back to the channel. We've got the dirt bike loaded up into the van and we're going to go off to Uncle Eddie's motor park this morning. I've never been there before and the weather's a bit minging. Essentially what Uncle Eddie's is it's a place north of Doncaster where you can take your dirt bikes, off-road bikes, quads even, kids can go. You pay a membership fee, an entry fee when you get in, and they've got a motocross track and they've also got an enduro loop that goes around some woods with tyres and all sorts of stuff. So it's probably going to be boggy, muddy, foul, horrible today, but we'll give it a whirl because it's Sunday and we've got nothing better to do. Yeah, let's head over there and see what it's like. So it's raining and it's a bit manky, but there's a motocross track and an enduro track. So I'm going to go and have a run around the enduro track first. I'm not much of a motocrosser to be honest, but we'll go and do a lap of that in a bit and see how we get on once I've got used to it a bit. Right, so we've got an enduro track here on the left and then a motocross track on the right there. So we're going to a lap around the enduro track and warm up, I think. We've got a digger out at the minute, just flattening down some of the motocross track and maintaining it. Right, let's have a look at this. It's very slippy. It's like a swamp. Right, stand up. This is pretty cool. I like the sort of riding like we were doing at Mick Exton's. I've done motocross before, the KTM Motocross Experience Day. Well, I enjoyed it, but I found it really, really hard. Whoa, Jesus. That was just like a swamp. Oh well. In for a penny. Stand up. Relax. I made it. Go on, mate. Whoa. Super slippy. This is a lot of fun. This is like mud soup. I'm stood up still.
So I've seen this on YouTube. So there's like some hills and stuff to practice on. Let's have a go. Oh well, get up, Dave. Down here. Check me out. I must have learned something. Okay, stand up. Steep. That looks really steep. Okay. And again. So that's the motocross track there. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, we'll go and do a lap of that. Why the hell not? No. Not quite ready for pipes yet. Well, I feel like I could probably do that. This tyres look really slippy though on this. Well, you can go through like a wood bit there. Let's just have this as a warm-up lap. Watch the trees. Understeer into a bush. Okay, yeah, this is where you get out. Right, so you okay. I guess you go. This is the motocross track. I'm just trying to stay away from these bikes so I don't get mud lobbed at me. As you can see by the state of me, it's pretty sloppy today. I'll take you up and show you the motocross. They've got a motocross, I was saying earlier, they've got a motocross track and an enduro track where you go through some woods, up and down hills, jumps. It's really cool. They're coming over here now, look. I really don't want to get mud in the camera. I would not do well for this lens. Yeah, looks, it's 40 quid to come, 10 quid of that's your membership. And then when you come subsequent times, it's 10 quid, sorry, 30 quid a time. You've got the access to the motocross bit, the Enduro bit in the woods that you saw earlier. There's a kids bit here. Kids have got their own track. I'm hoping at some point my son Jacob will get into it, so I'll probably bring him here. When it's slightly less damp than this, and it's soggy, this will be a lot of fun. It's still a lot of fun, it's just hard work, like really hard work. But I'd recommend this place to anybody. Yeah, I'm having a absolute blast. Right, let's go and do a lap on the motocross track first. then we'll go and do a run around the Enduro course. So slippy. Need to get used to these jumps because I'm not used to the track. I'm not 100% sure which way the track goes after. That might sound daft, but some of them are at a slight angle. So if you go over them too fast, you then land and you're having to adjust your line as you're landing, and it's not particularly solid ground. Well, nearly went down then. Just like you're on the verge of crashing. Every time right like there, the track goes off to the right over the jump. These burns and the slow speed sections are so, oh fucking hell, that's bumpy. They're so slippery. I'm sure there's a technique to getting it, but I'm not good enough, not yet. See, look, the track turns right straight after the jump. You go over that too much, and you're in there. Look at that, whoa, big rut. Power out of it. Fishtail. Balmy. Keep tight here. Seems to be more grip here. This looks like grip. I've got such a fear of going over the top of the burn. Look again, the track goes on to the right after the jump. You just need to memorise these. That one goes off to the left. Nearly again there, see? You need to be stood up a lot around here though, because it's really, really bumpy. Try and take this higher. Keep on the power a bit. Better, a bit better. I was lost tyres the other ones though. You're trying to steer. When you try and steer, whoa, you jump. You're losing the front. It's so slippery. Well, I am. Watch out for this guy. Very slippery, very slippery. Sure does get the breath going. Right, let's go and hit the Enduro. I like the Enduro bit. That's try and work on my balance a bit here. Just trying to work on balance, stood up. This is what this place is all about, right? Practice. You feel when you put your feet down. Look at that. Ugh. Don't get stuck here, tick over. Bike's pretty tall even for me, and I'm 6'4". Like if you get a bit of uneven ground, get a bit of a wobble on, you can quite easily lose footing. There you go. People say don't avoid the puddles. Let's try that pipe. I fancy this. Hit the bottom of the bike, but I've got a protector plate thing on it. The 6 days version. Luckily I bought that because it has one of those standard. Absolutely blowing. that next time round. This jump goes off a funny angle. Yeah. You got power out. Yeah, that does too. We get a fishtail on then. Sucks. Bollocks. Dickhead. I'm going to sign off in a bit though, get the bike washed, do one more lap I think, and then go and get the bike washed. But look, thanks so much for watching, I really appreciate it. I know I say this a lot, but all the new subscribers that are coming on, there's going to be lots of different content coming to the channel, not just dirt bike stuff. We're just in the winter, and that's really honestly all I've got open to me at the minute until we get to February and we've got to handle it here. But there'll be a mix of track, dirt bike, road bike, now the Ducati's coming. There'll be all sorts coming next year. So thanks for joining, thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you on the next one.